Hey everybody, this is Greg with Greg's Random Thoughts. I got a good one for you today, and got a nice stack of bills right off the bat. And let's check for star notes and see what we can do here. So, look at this, kind of cool, 6969 right up in front there. So, it's looking good already. So, oh, look at here. Oh, I see what's going on. We have a couple of sequential notes right up front there. So 01 and 02. Okay, well that's why that is. Okay, pair of 44s on each end. It's kind of neat. Pair of 7s and 0s. So let's see what we can come up with here. Pair of deuces and pair of sixes. These bills are all in pretty good shape, which is kind of nice for once. Now the last star note I found, there were actually, it was a star note, a single one is all I got. In the last pile, it was 15 million original run, and on the rerun with the star notes, there was only 3.2 million. So that was not a very rare note. So, but thought I'd get that one right off the bat. So, yeah, 8s, 1s, and 0s. Cool. A lot of 0s on this one here up front. Pair of 6s. Yeah, in that last video, it was a couple videos ago, I got 4s and 0s there. Ended up getting a star note back that I'd gone through once before. That was kind of neat. You wouldn't think that would happen, but I guess in small towns it's bound to. 0s, 3 5s, kind of nice. But today we're looking for more star notes and $100 bills. Pair of 3s. 9s and 8s all over the place. This whole bill is nothing but, there's only two. Oh, there's a 6 in there, I guess. You got a 98 and a 98. So I thought we had only 2 numbers on that one. Yeah. Oh, look at here. Very good. Right off the bat, we got a nice one here. Let me rearrange this thing. And this one here is a, what do we got here? 2009. Looks like a higher numbered one, but it is in good shape though. There is a fold, but it isn't bad. Yeah, it looks like it's in really good shape. Borders are off a little bit. For the purist out there, they'd probably find something to knock it down. But hey, it looks really good. It's a star note. And I will check on that one and see where we're at with that one. Very good. I like this. We've been getting a lot of good luck lately on star notes. So on the hundreds. I did not know this, but as things are going right now, a $100 bill is the most commonly printed note out there. And I would have thought originally, like 20s or 10s would have been the most common bill. But this, the $100 bill is the most common bill out there. Some interesting information. Pair of 4s. That pretty much blew me away. I had no idea that that would be that. I think with the higher denomination, it would have been a little lower. So, but anyway, not much here on that guy. Saw 293s in a row on the end. Thought we might have something. 2060, nothing much there. Yeah, hope everybody's doing good. Pair of 3s, not much. 8s. Yeah, my subscriber rate has been really good out there. And I got to take this opportunity to make sure, if you're new here, please do the subscription thing. And share, like, comment, do all that business. I really appreciate it. Zeros and nines there. And if you've already subscribed, thank you. I appreciate it. And yeah. Oh, this one's a little bit beat up. He got a little dirty. See what else we can get there. Pair of eights. And look at here. Another one. Very good. It's a higher number too. So, and this one again is a 2009. Usually it's been the newer ones, the 2017s, 13s, but for how old this one is, it's in alright shape. The borders are off a little bit. Obviously folded a few times, but not bad shape. I like this one. I'm going to keep him, and I'm going to check him out. So that's 2 out of this batch. Wow. That is unbelievable. So that's good. Pair of zeros. Let's keep on rocking. See what else we can come up with. Yeah. Pair of fives. Here's a beat up bill. This one's got all kinds of folds with him. I think somebody was having fun with him. There's the old interesting number. There's 1 in every batch, it seems like. Two pair of fives on this one. Pair of nines, pair of sevens. Very good. This one, I wonder how long. This is one of those pens they use to test to see if it's real. I wonder how long that stuff lasts on these bills. I should ask a bank. I wonder if they'd ever know. You know, one thing I've noticed that the banks really don't use those pens. I'm really surprised. Pair of nines on this one. The banks I go to, they basically just run them through a machine. I guess the machine is supposed to pick them out to see if they're real or not. And counts it all up. And then they go get another pile and, you know, away they go. Pair of nines on that one. Yeah, so it's been interesting getting to know a lot of people doing the old trading of the bills all the time. So, pair of eights. So they don't even ask me anymore. They just say, you know, they used to ask, what are you doing with all the bills, you know? And now it's just, what do you want? Hundreds, 50s, what do you want? So that's kind of nice. Oh, this has got a interesting note there. It says no. I've seen this stamp quite a bit. I'm not sure what that's all about. But it said I'm looking, and look at there. We got another one. Now this one's a little bit lower number than the rest of them, and this one's a 2009 A. All 3 of these were 2009s, it looks like. But this one's an A, which I don't even really know what that means. But very cool. He's not bad shape for how old it is. And again, I'm going to check all these numbers out. Man, I'm getting down there a little bit. I'm really wondering if we're going to be able to get a 4th one here. That's amazing. Very good. Okay, we got pair of ones here. The Q number on the end. Look at there. 6s and deuces. All right. We're looking pretty good here. We're getting down there. A lot of zeros on this guy. 5s and 9s. I think we're down to the last bill here. Look at there. Wow. Let me gather these guys up all together here for you. Straighten these guys out. Very good. Put all the star notes out here. Yeah, I'm kind of amazed on how many people do not know about star notes. But I guess I didn't up until about a half a year ago myself. So anyway, here we go. There is what we got. 3 star notes. I'm going to check these guys out and I'll let you know how we did on them. And for rareness purposes. And thank you so much. Talk to you soon.